All of the latest coming in. Rhea Chakrabarti, after being released from questioning by the Narcotics Control Bureau, went directly to the Bandra police station to make her statement in the illegal medicine case against Priyanka Singh and others. Mind you, Rhea Chakrabarti has now pointed a direct finger at Priyanka Singh, the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, who on the morning of 8th June had, on a chat, had told Sushant to take the same medicines which she was actually using for anxiety. 3 medicines were given to Sushant by his sister. All those 3 are prescription medicines. Of the 3, 2 are psychotropic drugs. And she told Sushant to take them. She even got a prescription which was incorrect, as it was given through telemedicine, and psychotropic drugs cannot be given through telemedicine. Moreover, it was a cardiologist who wrote down a prescription that a psychiatrist needed to do so. And now Rhea Chakrabarti has made a direct claim and said that Priyanka Singh gave those medications to Sushant through a chat, and he might have taken them. What was it that caused a mental imbalance, possibly a medical imbalance, that Sushant could even, if possible, take his own life? Rhea Chakrabarti has made a very clear charge right now. As we speak, she's at the Bandra police station recording her statement. A complaint has been lodged. What remains to be seen is if the police takes it up and now lodges an FIR. Because if it is an FIR, then a case would be lodged against Priyanka Singh and even the doctor who was at the RML hospital, a cardiologist who wrote down this prescription, because it's illegal to do so through telemedicine, to write down a prescription for psychotropic drugs. So what we do know right now, what you see on your television screen, are shots coming in from the Bandra police station where Rhea is there lodging her complaint. Now it's going to be a 2-pronged fight. Till now, Rhea Chakrabarti had maintained that she was somebody in love and paying the price of that. Now it seems Rhea has decided to fight back. What she's done is she's gone and exercised her legal option to lodge a complaint against Priyanka and the doctor who prescribed medications to Sushant illegally, mind you. There are many charges that can be posed in this. It's up to the Bandra police now to decide whether they want to take it further in the form of an FIR. However, Rhea has gone ahead, and as I speak, she's inside on the right-hand side. You can see that's the Bandra police station. She's right there lodging her complaint because she says Priyanka Singh gave certain medications which were psychotropic drugs illegally prescribed by a doctor to Sushant 1 week before Sushant was found dead. Did these drugs play with the...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.